Hi friends, welcome to YumVegCooking, and today we are making the very delicious yogurt tahini dip. This goes perfect with any Mediterranean recipes. If you have not watched the other recipes in this series, then please do watch them. I'll put the link in the description below. For now, let's get started. So what I've done is I've taken 1 cup of yogurt and I'm gonna add some fresh cilantro or coriander. If you have dill, that will taste even better, but if you don't have it, you can put some cilantro like we are doing it. And then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm adding extra virgin olive oil, around 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, some salt to taste, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of tahini paste. This is very important because this will give an extra flavor to the yogurt dip, and we'll just mix it well. Now since this is a dip, it shouldn't be so thick, so we are going to add some water. So I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, and I'll just mix it well so that it becomes a little thin. And this is almost ready. This goes perfectly on top of pita pockets that are filled with falafel and hummus. So what I'm going to do is I've made everything, and please watch all the recipes in the series. But I have my pita pockets ready with falafel and hummus. And I'm just going to top it off with some yogurt tahini dip. And you can also serve this on the side. And as you can see, all the Mediterranean recipes are ready. Please do watch them in the links below. If you like this one, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.